So many of you might be wondering if you've seen our other videos. I already spoke about this cotton candy machine, which I absolutely love and want to use like every day. Except you'd notice I'm here in my driveway because I've been excommunicated from the house because using it like this open, there's a little bit, just a little bit of sugar
a lot
that flies around. And so I needed to resolve that. So how did we resolve this, honey?
We have a hood.
We have a hood from Vevor as well. And look at this. It just fits on here perfectly like that and resolves so many problems. Let's try it out and see if it passes the Nikki flying sugar test.
Turn that baby on. See, we still get some flyage out the front, but not everywhere.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Wind it up.
Definitely stops the flying out the back and everywhere. But as you can see, I mean, you're gonna have some cotton candy in the front because it's a cotton candy machine. Look at Doug's hands.
I think, honestly, I'm gonna say honestly, I think I get more on my hand because it's like ricocheting off the plastic.
Nice try.
No, like it would have flown away. But it would have flown away. I'm saying
it would have flown away into the pool.
Right, it would have flown away all over. But now instead it's just ricocheting onto my hand. So yeah, so does this pass the Nikki?
Yeah, the hood helps. You're still
hood helps?
Relegated to use it in the driveway.
What?
Yeah. Still too much flyage. I mean, it helps, but it's nowhere close to... It's a cotton candy machine. That's what we expect. It's not unexpected. Cotton candy booths at the fairs, cotton candy all over the booth.
But look at this. Does this not make the world perfect, though?
You got it in your hair.
I almost can't eat it. This is the third take of this video, so this would be my third giant cotton candy, but I'm going to eat it. I hope this was helpful. I hope you appreciate my suffering having to eat 3 giant cotton candies for you.
But the hood helps, definitely.
We'll see you next time.
Definitely.